Does your inlet manifold look like this? Would you believe that this Ford Ranger has only done just over 100,000 kilometres? Today we'll be looking at clearing the crankcase gunk out of your intake. This kind of buildup is caused by recirculated engine blow-by and EGR gases, and left like this for too long can cause all kinds of problems for your engine. The oil vapour from your engine's positive crankcase ventilation valve and the soot from the exhaust gas recirculation system aren't bad on their own, but when mixed together create this kind of oily black paste that clogs up your engine and leads to power loss along with a multitude of other issues. The only way to stop this from happening is to fit a good quality catch can to your vehicle like this one from Ryco Filters. But first things first, we've got to clean all the gunk from this intake.
Today we'll be working on this 2016 Ford Ranger. First we'll have to take off the intake and the intake manifold.
With the manifold off the car, it's time to get to work clearing all the gunk out of it. Get yourself some good quality intake cleaner and a brush and get to work scrubbing it all out. This bit can be pretty messy, but the end result is more than worth it. Once the intake manifold is nice and clean, fit it all back up to the engine. It's also good practice to put a new inlet manifold gasket on there for peace of mind. To make sure this doesn't become an issue again, we'll be fitting up this Ryco Filters catch can. A catch can is a filter that's installed in line that works by removing all the oil from the air released by the PCV valve. This means that all the air going back into the engine is cleaner, so when it mixes with the carbon buildup from the EGR system, it won't create any of that thick gunk, meaning smoother running for your engine for years to come. Ryco offers catch can fitment kits to suit a wide range of vehicles for a clean, stress-free install. This kind of build-up is inevitable on a diesel engine, but fitting a catch can can make all the difference for the longevity and performance of your engine. Head to rycofilters.com.au to find the right kit to suit your vehicle.